Hello, my name is Roland, and this is my first time making a video on YouTube. I am a little bit nervous about the whole process. Let's see how it goes. Now, I'm working on this program called Revit 2023. Basically, I'm learning how to create a schedule, electrical schedule for a building. In order for me to create these schedules, I need a layout, I need like a building, then I add all the electrical equipment, then create the schedule. I came across a plugin. This plugin helps to generate layout very fast. And the name of the plugin is PlanFinder. Let me show you how you can install PlanFinder on Revit, and then you can generate a design within a minute. You go online, on their website. The name of the website is planfounder.xyz, planfounder.xyz. Then you can use a trial version. You have 30 days to play with the program. You click download and then you select the program you are using, the interface you are using. In my case, I'm using Revit 2023. So you click on Revit and then you download, install. The next time you open Revit, it's going to show in your program. You're going to have it here, PlanFinder. Now, when you have it, you can now, it's going to help you to generate basically the layout. Now, we're gonna generate one very quickly. So I'm going to go to File, New, New Project. Select Imperial, no, I'm not gonna use this one, Imperial System. And Project, okay. A minute. We have to create a outer boundary of our design. So basically you select a wall. I'm going to change the height 10 and then select to have like a square. You can use this. From that rectangular, now if I try to fit the design within this boundary, is not going to work because the program needs like a door and a window before. I think I don't know, it's just something you have to have. Maybe if someone has more experience about it, plug-in, they can explain. So I'm going to add at least one door and one window. If I click here, I don't have a door in the program. So I'm going to go insert and load, select here, door. Download the door, take the size of the door. That's good enough. I'm going to fill and then go to the door. Let's put one door here. And then we need also a window. We don't have a window. So go insert and load Autodesk window. And from here, select a window. Take this. Architecture and window. The size of this rectangular has to be less than 150 square meter. If it's more, I'm going to have an error message. So let's try. PlanFinder, I click Fit. And then when I try to select inside the room, oh, I don't have an error message, which is good. So now it had generated the first design. If we like this design, then we're gonna click OK. If someone is calling me, I will call you. Now we go to next. If we don't like this design, and next, there are some settings you can change. For example, the how many bedrooms you need in a building, and how many bathrooms, and the country, etc. In my case, uh, just I'm just sharing the plugin. I don't going to change anything. So you click OK. After few seconds, it's going to generate a new design for me. Then from that design, I will add I will add sorry I will add the ceiling and then populate all the electrical devices on the building before creating the electrical schedule for the building. So this is, I think, it's a very good tool for someone who is learning how to use Revit, or how to uh, or students. So we can see that our boundary, because the design we selected was not within the boundary, so you have this wall not at the right location. Select and move it closer. It's supposed to be here. Yep, that's good enough. Now let me select the 3D. You can see we have a new building ready to go for the next step of our training. We have here, this is the kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, the third bedroom, and this is the bathroom, etc. Now, from here, I can add the ceiling if I want to. Now I have the ceiling, and when you have the ceiling, so basically I have a I have a product I can use to train myself. For example, if I need to add the light, so the lighting system, I can go to systems and light and select like a 2x2. System and 2x2. Yeah, look like this, and then yeah. So you can see from here, if I need to add, just to make it more like a house, add a door, front door, back door. I can add windows. So you can see within like 3-5 minutes, I have a design, and then the next step is just the next step for me is to add electrical equipment and receptacles, light switch, and so on. Anyway, I was just trying to share this. If there is someone somewhere who is also learning how to play with Revit, this is, I think, an interesting tool to use. If you like this video and you need to provide like a feedback or anything, please feel free. I will try to add more videos like this in the future. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.